Okay, so I just wanted to make a short video to kind of help you through the data analysis part of this activity. So we're wrapping up our kind of discussion on water and water pollution. And so the last thing here is just to kind of get you to think about your water usage a day and the average, not just your, but the average water usage a day per person. And some factors that affect that, and then how, what are some other outside factors that could affect how much water you use. So to start off, you're going to do a little bit of data analysis, and this is data from Florida. So you're just going to fill in basically the beginning here in this section. You can read it. It kind of describes talking about the daily water consumption in 2005, and then there's some projected data for 2025. I've summarized it in this table down here so that it's kind of easier to see. So basically, when you're looking at year 2005, in the entire state used 6.5 billion gallons, and then there's 17.5 million people in Florida. So here, when it wants you to find how much water was used per person that year, you're just going to divide, I guess the 6.5 billion divided by the 17.5 million, right? That's going to tell you how much water was used per person per year in that year. Okay, the last thing, and you'll do the same thing for year 2025. Okay, and then the last row is wanting you to know per day. So if I have how much water they use per year in this block right here, then if I want to find per day, right, I just have to divide by how many days there are in a year. So if I divide by 365, that will give me my per day amount. Okay, and like I said, you're doing it for year 2005 and year 2025. Okay, so you should come up with some numbers in that column. Then you have some analysis questions. Okay, so this first box is you're basically just comparing water, the average person per year. Okay, so make sure you're pulling from the correct column. You're not looking at the per day data, per day number. You're looking at the per year. Okay, you're just filling in, is it more than, less than, or equal to? This is the average U.S. data. So on average, a person in the United States uses 66,000 gallons per year, whereas globally, the average person uses 32,800, sorry, per year. So you're just comparing, that average person in Florida, how much are they using compared to the averages. Then these last few questions, you're actually kind of thinking about your water consumption and how you would compare your water consumption to, the average person in Florida. Okay, so hopefully that kind of walked you through this. It shouldn't take you too long. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure you kind of understood how to do your data analysis for this bottom section of the chart. Okay, and then let me know if you have any questions. Just message me tomorrow. It is a half day. I'll be in meetings for the second half of the day, but I should be available the first half for sure through Schoology. Good luck.